Hello students, welcome to the digital learning session of Raval Convent School. Today for class 7th, we are here with an interesting topic, that is advertising. Let's begin. In this strip of advertising, we will learn what is advertising, history of advertising, classification of advertising which include commercial advertising and social advertising, and advantages and disadvantages of advertising. What is advertising? It is derived from Latin root adverter, which means to attract attention to, in which ad means towards, verto means I turn. Literally, it means to turn the people attention to a specific thing. You can also say advertising is the non-personal communication of information, any paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas or products by an identified sponsor through various media. You can also say advertising refer to the promotion of goods, services, companies and idea through a medium. It involved different type of media such as newspaper, television, radio, magazine and internet. Clear? What is the history of advertising? In 2000 BC, Egyptian invent outdoor advertising carving public notices in steel. In 1472, the first print ad is created in England. The handbill announces a prayer book for sale. In 1661, the first product branding is developed for dentifrice tooth gel. Some of the best advertising agencies in India are Crayon Advertising, Avail Advertising, Fortune Communication, JWT India, Traverse Advertising, FCB Ulka Advertising Limited. Now, some of the objectives of advertising. First is to inform. Inform means let the people know what the product is, where it would be available, what problem it will solve. Persuade means induce people to buy things. Remind. Advertisers should keep reinforcing the central message. Get more creative in ad execution for the product liking, for example, Amul butter. Reinforce. Reinforce means advertising seek to convince current consumers that they have made the right choice. For example, Maruti proclaims virtually 2 out of 3 people who go to choose a car end up driving home a Maruti. Advertising can be classified into two types: commercial advertising and social advertising. Now, what is commercial advertising? Commercial advertisements are made to sell a brand. What is brand here? What is brand? A brand is an identified symbol, or you can say mark, name, word or sentence that company use to distinguish their product from others. It involves selling a product or services to generate revenue, such as soap, mobile services, car, electronic goods and so on. And some of the commercial advertisements include like Kit Kat ad you have seen on TV, Oreo ad, Coca-Cola, Tide, Maruti, Maggie, Maruti, all cars and so on. And all these commercial advertising is to influence the people to buy a product of a company or of a brand. What is social advertisement? Social advertisement are the advertisement which are made on social issues or for public awareness. It aim it at creating awareness among people about a good cause. And some of the social advertisement include like right to education, save girl child, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, don't drink and drive, say no to smoking, recycle, and all these advertisements promote a community health and well-being, such as programs that educate people about drugs, diseases and other social issues. Some basic rules of advertising. The advertisement should not attack others' product. An advertisement should not be obscene and immoral. It should not hurt the cultural and religious sentiments of the people. It should be in conformity with the laws of the land. They should not incite people to crime. The advertisement should be truthful. You know that some effective advertising that gives advantages to many companies. For example, Vodafone. What they use? They use Zuzu. You see in the picture. Zuzu concept was introduced during IPL 2 in 2009. Reaches a cumulative of 89 million people in first 10 days of IPL. Video had 3 million hits in 3 weeks. If you see the cost, animation are 10 to 15 times costlier than real people. Zuzu had low cost costumes, real people. Speedy schedule 30 advertisement cost only rupees 3 crores. 20 to 30 second long. Zuzu name nowhere in commercial. Massive viral marketing. If you see this data sheet, what you notice that due to effective advertisement, Vodafone became India's third largest telecom company after Airtel and Reliance within a very short period. Clear? As shown in the data sheet, you see. Now, but there are some advantages and disadvantages of advertising. First, advantages. It gives information about the product, provides employment, increase sale which improve economy, keep down cost of concerts, magazine, TV and so on. It is useful when we want to buy, sell or rent goods, for example houses, cars. And disadvantages are can mislead the consumer, increases price of product, can be manipulative affecting the way we think, encourages overspreading, can reinforce stereotypes, can affect natural environment. Example billboards show unrealistic lifestyle. Clear? In the end, I would like to say that good advertising does not just circulate information, it penetrates the public mind with desire and beliefs. Thank you.